Hello family, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this delicious fish pie. Let's get started. In my pot here I have few pieces of already washed and cut mackerel fish. I've just seasoned it with some salt, curry powder, seasoning cube, and onions. I add little water to it, mix and let it boil. When it is well cooked, I take it out from the pot, allow it to cool down a bit, then I shred and debone it with fork or my hand. When I'm done deboning and shredding the fish, the next step is to fry it with the vegetables I have. Here I've just added some chopped and sliced onions into the hot oil. I'll fry it for about a minute. And the next step, I'll add some spring onions and continue to fry. After frying for about few seconds, I'll add some fresh habanero pepper for little hotness, not much. Next, I'll go in with some cut carrots also, and I'll continue to fry this. After frying for about a minute or two, I'll then season it again with little salt, one seasoning cube, some garlic, ginger, and curry powder. I'll stir properly for a few seconds, and then we'll add the shredded fish. I'll stir and allow the fish and the vegetables to cook for a few minutes, and then our fish pie filling is ready. Next, I'll transfer the filling into a plate, spread it out there, and allow it to cool down very well. And then we move to the next step. In my mixing bowl here, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I've just added a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of sugar. You can skip the sugar if you want. I'll just stir the flour and the sugar and salt together, and then add butter. You can use margarine. Here I'm using salted butter. If you're using unsalted, you can add more salt. After mixing the butter very well into the flour mix, I now add water little by little. You will find the measurements in my description box below. When the dough is well formed, I'll cover it with a cling film and allow it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes of resting in the fridge, I bring it out, cut and roll into the shape I want. Add the fish pie filling to it. I just spread little egg mix on the edges to enable it seal very well. This is just one egg I cracked into a plate and added 1 tablespoon of water. You can equally use only water. It will also seal. Next, I'll egg wash the whole pies before baking to enable me get that beautiful and golden color after baking. And here we have our baked fish pies. I baked this for 35 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And it was so delicious. Look at that gorgeous color. I hope you give this a try and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give us a like, hit that like button and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.